Today, we've got a burning question that many real estate investors ask: how to rent your house fast. We've got a comprehensive guide loaded with pro tips to get your property off the market and into the hands of eager tenants quickly. Here's your roadmap to success. The first impression can make or break a deal. It starts with curbside appeal. As a property owner, it's crucial to ensure your property is immaculate, well-kept, and aesthetically pleasing. A well-manicured lawn not only adds beauty to the exterior, but also shows that the property is well-loved and cared for. It's essential to ensure that the interior is clean and inviting, as this speaks volumes about your property. Preparing your property for rent involves making necessary repairs, decluttering spaces, and deep cleaning. It's about creating a welcoming, comfortable environment that feels like a potential home to prospective tenants. Begin by thoroughly studying the rental market in your vicinity. In order to set competitive rates, it's essential to understand the prevailing market rates for properties similar to yours. Take into account factors like the property's location, its features, and amenities when comparing it to other properties. Detailed research on similar properties in your area is crucial, as it gives you an idea of the average rental price. Always remember, the similarities could be in terms of property size, the number of rooms, or even proximity to essential services like schools, hospitals, and shopping centers. Additionally, consider your property's unique features. If it offers a breathtaking view, for instance, or if it's newly renovated, you might be able to set a higher rent. On the other hand, if it's older or lacks certain amenities, you may need to price it lower to remain competitive. Moreover, you should constantly be aware of the market trends. The rental market is dynamic and prices can fluctuate based on numerous factors. Hence, adjusting the rental price according to the current market trends can make your property more appealing to potential tenants and help to shorten vacancy periods. Setting your rental price competitively is an amalgamation of detailed research, careful consideration of your property's features and location, and smart adjustments according to market trends. Effectively showcasing your property pivots largely on the quality of pictures taken. Begin with appropriate lighting, a crucial element that can make or break an image. Utilizing the gift of natural light is always the best course of action, so aim to photograph during the day. Investing in good pictures can dramatically boost your property's visual allure. Take care to capture the unique features of your property, be it a picturesque garden, a roomy living room, or a sophisticated facade, and ensure these are highlighted in your photos. It's worth considering the services of a professional photographer. Armed with the right skills and equipment, they can produce striking photos. Their expertise brings a professional touch that significantly enhances the attractiveness of your property. Consider virtual tours or 3D walkthroughs to give prospective tenants a comprehensive view of your property. Once you have these high-quality photos and virtual tours, ensure they are put to good use. Your description should highlight all the good features that could be attractive to potential renters. Websites like Zillow and Craigslist, as well as local real estate websites, are invaluable platforms for listing your property. Using these platforms helps to reach a broad spectrum of potential renters. Similarly, social media platforms are also powerful marketing tools. They allow for easy sharing and wide reach, increasing the chances of your property being noticed. They also provide a platform for interaction with potential renters, providing a space for dialogue and feedback. Ensure these photos are showcased on multiple platforms, including online listings, social media. Remember, the goal is to present your property in the best light, both literally and figuratively. Quick and clear communication is vital. Respond promptly to inquiries, schedule showings efficiently, and be ready to address questions. A responsive landlord creates a positive impression. Be flexible with viewing options. Offer both in-person and virtual tours to accommodate a wider range of prospective tenants, especially those relocating from a distance. During the showing, make sure to highlight the key features of the property, whether it's a renovated kitchen, a scenic view, or proximity to local amenities. These highlights can make your property stand out and appeal to prospective renters. It's imperative to conduct a comprehensive tenant check. This involves a thorough examination of their financial stability, employment status, and references. Conducting credit checks provides an assessment of the prospective tenant's financial standing. It gives you an idea of their payment habits and financial responsibilities, crucial in determining their ability to meet the monthly rental payment. Verifying employment is another essential component in the process. It helps establish the tenant's regular income source and hence their capacity to afford the rent. Checking references, especially from previous landlords, can provide valuable insight into the tenant's behavior, payment history, respect for property, and overall conduct. Adhering strictly to fair housing laws in the process is also of paramount importance. It ensures that all prospective tenants are given an equal opportunity to rent your property, regardless of their race, religion, gender, familial status, disability, or national origin. Lastly, be prepared to answer any questions potential tenants may have about the property. This step is crucial in building a transparent and trustworthy relationship with them, and it can provide further insight into their needs as a tenant. This process of scheduling, highlighting, tenant checking, and open communication is vital in ensuring you find reliable, long-term tenants. Protect your interests with a comprehensive lease agreement. This document should detail the terms and conditions of the rental, including rent amount, lease duration, and tenant responsibilities. Sign the lease agreement and collect the deposit before you take the house off the market. Be responsive to your tenant's needs, promptly address any maintenance issues, and be available to answer any questions. A satisfied tenant is more likely to renew their lease, reducing turnover and vacancy periods. Have questions or additional tips? Drop them in the comments below. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more real estate insights, and hit that notification bell to stay in the loop.